Hello, welcome to LabVIEW Advantage, and in this video we'll learn about why to use LabVIEW using my own story. When I was studying a bachelor's in electronics and communication engineering, I had to do a final year project just like many of the today's students. So to get on with the project, I allocated myself with a computer, a signal generator and a oscilloscope, a power source and a multimeter. And since I was doing the project on FPGA, and this was the first time any of the students in my own college was doing the project on it, so I had to allocate the manuals and book on the VHDL programming language, and I had to start learning even 1.5 years before the date of the submission. Now, while implementing, I had to learn the VHDL programming language, which was not in our syllabus. Then write the code, synthesize the code, and then implement the code into the FPGA board. But the main problem was the synthesizing, the implementation of the code took so much time that it took literally like hours and hours just to find out whether the code was working properly or not. This wasted a lot of development time, and we had to wait and then go back again and then write the code and repeat the same process again. So it took nearly 1.5 years to complete our project. Although the project was a success, it took a lot of time to develop and a lot of resources and to learn the another programming language as well. And now fast forward a few years later after that event, I took part in a NI seminar hands-on. So this was my opportunity to go back to my past and then think how the NI guys were handling with the FPGA and VHDL. But in this case, I didn't have to learn or even have to use the VHDL programming language, because the NI software, the LabVIEW, which I was introduced to, was so much capable that it easily compiled the LabVIEW code in the screen into the VHDL programming language. Not only that, the code was ready to run within 5 to 10 minutes. That was literally a millionth of a time that I took to write and code for my course project. So after my experience and the capability of LabVIEW to use the virtual instruments, I have determined that if you are doing a project using the testing, the signal generator or the oscilloscope and the power source and the multimeter can be replaced with a single system using the LabVIEW, which has got the VIs or the virtual instruments to replace them. And similarly, if I revisit my FPGA project, I would no longer require to learn the VHDL programming language for a long time. And similarly, I don't have to use the different software, which would take a lot of time to compile, synthesize, and implement my VHDL code into the FPGA board. So this is my brief experience on why to use the LabVIEW. Please like, share, and comment on this video, and please subscribe to this channel for future LabVIEW videos. Thank you very much.